Not anymore. Oh, stop.
Oh no, you hear it. Yeah. She's a leaker. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Heading to my next service call. We have an existing client in West Hempstead. West Hempstead is a hamlet in the town of Hempstead in Nassau County on Long Island, the great state of New York. Customer has a water heater, domestic hot water heater. Looked like it was a Bradford White. The picture they sent me, no hot water. And she says it's leaking. So let's go see what's going on and give her a good, how you doing? You know? Give her a New York, how you doing?
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. This is Mike from the Pipe Doctor.
Hi, Mike. I'm glad. Yeah. Are you out front?
I'm at your front door, sir.
Yeah. Okay, that won't open.
Should I go to the side door?
You want to drive your truck in your driveway?
No, I'm fine in the street.
Okay. Okay, be right there.
Okay, side door? Back door?
Back door, yeah, back door.
Okay, thank you. Hi, sir.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you for saving my tail on the weekend. Wow, Sunday.
I haven't done anything yet, though.
Well, you make me feel good just showing up.
My pleasure.
Uh,
How do I get to the basement?
okay, follow me. I put a lot of obstacles in your path.
It's okay.
Uh,
It's okay.
oh, you haven't seen them all. This would be the ideal way to come in.
Okay.
But the problem is this door only works well in wintertime.
It's not winter time, though.
Yeah.
We can come back in the winter if you want.
It's hard to get open, but
All right, we'll figure it out.
Impossible to get closed.
Okay.
You know?
Let me see what's going on first, and then we'll determine if we
Okay.
need the door open or not. But
Okay.
you had sent me a picture. I couldn't tell how old it is, but let's see what's going on. And
Be careful.
yep,
with your head.
I'll watch your head. I don't want to get hit by the anvil.
Yeah, put your head.
I got to do like a little. What do you call it? When you go over under the bar. Forgot.
Okay, here's my beauty.
Okay. Why is it dented at the top? Did it come that way? The dent?
Yeah, it leaked around the back and around. I guess the
Oh
low
yeah,
spot
I
is over
see.
there.
I see you got some water on the floor there.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah,
see.
the main body is over there. The of water.
Oh, nice, fairly new boiler.
Yeah, fairly new boiler.
Yeah.
And then
They use copper there.
I don't know how long ago.
Yeah.
Not too long ago.
I don't get it why some guys use copper on steam, but it works though. All right, so you have no hot water, and we have some water on the floor. Let's take a look, see if the tank itself is leaking, and sure enough, we got some water in there as well. All right, so you have this 40-gallon water heater. Let's see what the combustion chamber looks like. All right. Yeah, she's wet. Now, I wonder. You said you turned off the water?
I turned off the supply to this tank.
Okay.
That's all.
Was it like dripping? Oh, let me see.
Yeah.
Was it like, did you hear any water leaking or?
Well,
Let's see, hold on. You have any faucets open upstairs?
not anymore. Stop.
Oh, no, you hear it. Yeah. She's a leaker. Close that. She's a leaker. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Gave the homeowner a price to replace the water heater as a non-emergency service call during the week, tomorrow, for example. And then I told the homeowner, the older gentleman, I was like, listen, I would feel bad charging you what the price would be normally for today. But you know what? It's it's not winter. You'll take a cold shower tonight, and tomorrow you'll be okay, and you'll save yourself some money by not having it done today. I'm not going to charge you for the emergency trip charge for coming out today for the no hot water service call, because I just have a conscience and morals, right, and ethics. So I come tomorrow, we'll bang out the replacement, and we'll go right through the side door that it can't open or can't close when it's not winter. Oh, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for tuning in. Maybe the power of YouTube will show you the replacement heater right after this message from our local sponsor. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the power of video. It's Monday, July 22nd, 2024, a little before 9 a.m. Heading to West Hempstead to swap out this water heater. Me, myself, and I was gonna originally do it later, like after noon, but I was like, you know what? Let me show the old folks that I still got it in me and I can do it all by myself. Plus, Peter had to make sure he was around at the shop for when the person who rented the Cybertruck is returning it today at 10 o'clock. So we have it rented on Toro, $350 a day. Not too shabby. You know, I figured if I could rent it out 15 times a month, easy money. And plus, since I hate the thing, might as well like maximize its use before I dump it on eBay. All right, let me show you that this old man still got in him to swap out a water heater with the guns.
Yeah. Holy mackerel. Oh, man. I'm so old-fashioned.
Not much light down here. Working with this, probably a 10-watt bulb. I'm gonna slide this thing out of the way. Put it over there while it drains down. Alright. Alright. Not too shabby. Alright. Let's get the new one down here. Yep. All right. 4-inch. Cut that down a little bit so we had some good pitch there. Viga 3/4-inch press by female adapters with the 3/4 by 1/2-inch reducing couplings. Drip leg. Very nice. All right. It is 10:36. Job's done. Me, myself, and I. The only thing we had a problem was, and there's no problems, only solutions, is removal of the old tank. My Milwaukee M18 transfer pump just wasn't pumping. It was not discharging the water. So I'm going to have Peter in the office give the homeowner a call, and we're going to pump and remove that later today or tomorrow. But I was ready to go. I kid you not. I was ready to go. I even had a pump that we use for tankless flushing, and I had a hose hooked up to the drain on the water heater going into a 5-gallon bucket, and this brand new flush pump, 8 horsepower, wasn't doing nothing. So couldn't believe it. 2 pumps kaput. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.